What's up, guys? It's Lily. Today I'm gonna have a heart-to-heart with you. I'm gonna talk about why I stopped intermittent fasting and why I will never, ever diet again. Woo! So let's talk about why I started intermittent fasting in the first place and what I was looking for. So at the time, I had just got back from a really big trip. The holidays had kind of creeped around. A few months later, I went on a vacation, then another vacation. And at the time that I was searching for answers for just a little boost in my weight loss, I started seeing everyone talk about intermittent fasting. So I was curious, like a lot of you girls are and have been. And so I considered that maybe this could be the solution, the answer to helping aid me in my weight loss. I was also selected to be part of a test group for a new fitness program that was coming out, and I had to follow a specific meal plan. So what I did was I followed the meal plan and I did intermittent fasting. I didn't have my first meal till about 12, 1, 11, just depends on the day. And I followed my meal plan. Well, I got amazing results. I shared them on the internet with you guys. But I still had a big sense of confusion. Was it intermittent fasting that gave me those results? Or was it that I was sticking to my meal plan and killing it with my workouts? Which was it? I really could never answer that fully and tell you it was totally intermittent fasting. All I know was that I was sticking to this and combining it with this, and it did give me good results, but I'm not sure had I just done this, would I have also gotten the results, or was it the combination of the two? So anyways, I shared my videos about intermittent fasting. I talked about my confusions a lot. I did a lot of videos about it. I talked about how it's not a quick fix, how you got to do it for other reasons. It can't just be for weight loss. And at the same time, guys, I never felt good about talking about intermittent fasting because I knew that when you girls are Googling and you're looking for answers on the internet, it's because you want to lose weight and you are looking for a kind of a quick fix, an easy solution as to how to do that. And so intermittent fasting, the ketogenic diet, going vegan, green juice, like a green juice cleanse, like all of these like solutions just seem appealing. Like, all right, I'm going to try this. But at the end of the day, guys, no matter what diets people try, no matter what intermittent fasting or this or that, at the end of the day, most of all of those things are not sustainable. People cannot do them for long periods of time. They just can't. It's not realistic. And this is why most people fail on diets or claiming to start intermittent fasting. Just wait for it. Wait for it, because a few months down the road, you're gonna see that they stopped it. And so, yes, there's a handful of people that have been living this lifestyle for 5 years and they look like this, and you know, someone else who got amazing results doing that, and you know, a vast majority are looking at that person saying, hey, if they can do it. But the reality is most people cannot sustain these diets, these kind of extreme, and most people just fail, guys. So I hesitated so much to talk about it because I knew that people were searching for answers. But really, guys, at the end of the day, you just have to learn new eating habits. You gotta just eat more fruits, veggies, and of course, there isn't one way for everything. And what works for me may not work for you. But let me ask you something. This is what I ask myself all the time. Lily, how do you want to live the rest of your life? Like, if you can think about your future and what your eating is going to be like forever when you're like 70 years old, what's it going to look like? And to me, I just want it to be natural. Like, I just want it to be something that is like real life. It's nothing extreme. I want to eat my fruits, my veggies. I want to eat lean meats. I want to drink a lot of water. Like, to me, that is what health is to me. I want to be able to still have my pizza and indulge in, you know, a sweet treat with my family in the weekend. And I want to still read my labels and look for healthy ingredients, but still treat myself, because that's how I want to live the rest of my life. I don't want to be following any strict kind of perfect meal plan. But here's the problem, guys. the thing is, when you're not following something like a meal plan, or you're not doing a specific diet, once you're off, then guess what happens? All the weight comes back on, all right? Or you start piling back on the weight. And so this is what happened to me. Before all of this, I was at a place where I did a video about it, where I said I'm in such a happy place with my nutrition, but I got a few extra pounds packed on. But mentally, I'm in a good place. I eat healthy. I still splurge. I enjoy my weekends. So it was like, yeah, I've gained weight, but I'm happy. But I look fit, and I've never been in such great shape. I work out. So it was kind of like this conclusion that I reached, that it was just like, this was going to be the give or take, right? Guys, I seriously considered, at the end of the day, I had so much confusion in my mind about how to lead. You guys know I'm an online fitness coach. I found that, look, at the end of the day, yes, I was working out and eating good, but I'm not fanatical about it. Like, I've been able to change my lifestyle and work, but I'm not working out 7 times a week. The reality is I was working out maybe 4 or 5 times a week, and just for 30 minutes, and I got amazing results. I transformed my body. Another realization was that I was still enjoying family pizza night. I was still, like, you know, going a little crazy on the weekends, but I still got weight. I still got results. I still lost weight. I still got fit. And I was trying, like, how could I teach this to my people? How could I, like, tell them, like, look, if you really want to treat, just go for it. That's what I do. Like, there was no substantial way to teach that to people. I would share my little practical tips, but I wish that there was, like, an exact formula. Okay, if you eat 3 healthy meals, boom, you deserve a slice of pizza. If you do this, boom, you can have a cupcake. And so finally I decided, and I came up with this big thing, and I gave it a name and everything, and I was determined to launch a program that I was going to teach you guys basically how to live my lifestyle. And then everything changed. Beachbody came out with this amazing nutrition program that was basically everything that I was going to teach you guys about how to live a balanced, healthy lifestyle without doing anything extreme. They created a program for it. And guys, to me, the more I learned about it, I just felt like it was an answer to all I ever wanted for nutrition prayers, because really what I want is freedom. Mental freedom, clarity. I don't want to have to stress about what I'm eating. Oh my gosh, that's bad food, that's good food. Oh, I just had chips and salsa. Like, I didn't want the guilt. I wanted to still eat healthy because I know those foods make me feel the best, but I also wanted to know that I could still have, let's say, pizza, because that's my favorite, and I don't have to be like, oh, practicing balance, oh, treat meal. No, this is just real life. It's not a treat, it's not balance, it's real life. The reality is, if you want to look fit and not be overweight, you do got to work out. You do got to eat your vegetables and stay away from sugary things and eating carbs, and like a ton of carbs, and you know, just breads and all this stuff. You got to change your eating habits. Nighttime eating, sweet tooth, candy stashes, all of that. People are in trouble with their weight because they've formed really bad habits. So all you got to do is create healthier ones. But you need help in that area, right? You need help in that area, and it's not always so easy. And for everyone, it's going to be different. So what this program is it lays out exactly how to practically plate your food, a method for how we eat, how we drink, how to eat out, how to, when you're on vacation, sorry, my hair is like keeps getting stuck in this lip gloss. When you go on vacation, how to look at your nutrition. And to me, it's perfect. It's perfect. And so right now, I've been doing it for 5 days, and it's, like I said, it's a whole system, it's a whole method, and I could see myself living like this forever. And I will never diet again. Never, ever. I will never be on another diet. Now you say, okay, but this is a program. This is just a method. It's teaching me a method that is real. It's nothing extreme and like, okay, don't eat for this, be on a headstand, eat so many, like, don't eat carbs, don't eat that. Like, it's nothing extreme. This is real life eating. But of course, you're going to learn how to eat good. You're going to learn how to feel your body good, all that good stuff. But it's just a method. It's so cool. The more I learn it, the more I'm like, everyone in the world needs to know about this. So anyways, this video is getting super long, and I share all this with you to tell you that I'm just on a mission. I'm on a mission to spread this message about this new program that I want to help get you on, because I already have like a ton of girls that we're ready to commit. We're ready to shift our mindset. The whole thing is about changing your mindset and the way you look at food and the relationship and why you emotionally eat and why you have your chocolate candy stashes and why you could choose better. So it's just the perfect tool to help you to finally lose weight with freedom, without any titles of a diet or saying you're doing this or cutting back that. Like, we can eat everything. There is nothing that you can't eat. There's just a system for how you go about doing it, and that's what I want to teach you guys. So if you are interested, and if you want to be part of the Never Ever Dieting Club too, then please click on the link in my bio, and I want to tell you all about this. I promise you it is different. It is unlike anything you've ever heard or seen before, and I want to help change your life because it has changed mine. And I will still teach you everything that works for me, how I stay fit with just 30-minute workouts, 20, you know, a practical way for fitting this into your busy everyday life so you can live your best life. That's what I'm like obsessed with teaching you guys, to live your best life. So, all right, guys, click in the description. I want to hear from you. This month, we are going to fill up this group. It's going to be our month to do this, and I hope that you join, that you trust me enough to join me. Please, I promise you it's going to change your life. Bye-bye, guys.